Stop saying, I want coffee. Today, we have 10 simple phrases for real cafe conversations. Let's begin.
Instead of saying, I want a coffee, try saying, could I get a flat white, please?
Could I get is soft. It is polite. It sounds completely natural.
Instead of, I want a large one, try, could I have a large, please?
Always add, please. It makes you sound warm and friendly, instantly.
Instead of, what is this? Try, sorry, could you tell me what a courte-à-deux is?
Sorry, at the start. It is not an apology. It is just a soft, polite opener.
Instead of, no sugar, try, could I have it without sugar, please?
Without is a very useful word. You can use it for milk, ice, syrup, anything.
Instead of, make it big, try, could I upgrade to a large, please?
Upgrade. Yes, you can use this word with baristas. It sounds very natural.
Instead of, I don't understand the menu, try, I'm not sure what to get, what do you recommend?
This is perfect. You are honest. And you are asking for help in a friendly way. The barista will love this.
Instead of, hot coffee, try, could I get that hot, please? Or, could I have it iced, please?
Notice, hot and iced are both adjectives that come after have it. Very simple pattern.
Instead of, I want to pay, try, could I grab the bill when you get a chance?
When you get a chance. This means, no rush, but please do this for me. Very polite. Very natural.
Instead of, can you say again? Try, sorry, could you repeat that for me?
And if they speak very fast, you can also say, sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Okay, those are your 10 upgrades. Now, let's practice them together.
Now we repeat together. I will say the phrase. Then you have 3 seconds to say it out loud. Ready?
Could I get a flat white, please? Could I have a large, please? Sorry, could you tell me what a courte-à-deux is? Could I have it without sugar, please? Could I upgrade to a large, please?
I'm not sure what to get. What do you recommend? Could I get that hot, please? Could I have it iced, please? Could I grab the bill when you get a chance? Sorry, could you repeat that for me? I didn't quite catch that.